Yeah, you heard it right. Google Pixel 4a has launched. This time it's simple and clean. Full review and differences, and also my review on 4a. All these coming up. But now, let's roll the intro. This is mid-range phone with best price made as a competitor against Nord as well as iPhone SE. With 5.8-inch and 1080p OLED display with 60Hz refresh rate, this is quite impressive compared to its price. It has Snapdragon 730G with 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM. It also has live caption and background music or audio capture. Back fingerprint screen. Well, talking about camera, it has single 12.2 megapixel back camera, but it looked like it has triple camera, but no. It has 8 megapixel selfie camera. Camera is quite good compared to its 12.2 megapixel thanks to its software system. Lastly, it is dust and water resistant. With 3.5mm jack. It comes with black finish, just simple and clean. Now, if we compare Google Pixel 4a with OnePlus Nord, both are mid-range killer phones, we'll find quite a differences, so let's find out. These are differences between Nord and 4a. So, at last. User rating is 3.95 for 4a and 3.75 for Nord. According to me, 4a is good for its software compared to Nord's camera. So, if you are going to buy 4a, SE or Nord, SE is for performance and brand whereas Nord is for camera and functionality. Well, 4a is both of these. According to me.